How to sign in or log into Worldpay company account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign into your Worldpay company account. For this, open up any web browser and search for Worldpay. Now, you want to tap on this website, which is worldpay.com. Once you land on this website, if you want to log into your account, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the login option. Now on this page, you want to tap on the login option. Here, you want to enter your entity ID. Then you want to enter your username. Once you have entered both the details, tap on the next option. Then you will have to enter your password and complete any verification process in order to log into your account. If you're facing any difficulty while logging in, tap on the trouble logging in option. If you do not know what your entity or client ID is, tap on what is my entity and client ID option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.